Hi everybody, it's Chris Stem. We're shooting another video. I'm excited here. Today we're going to talk about how do you stay strong. And I think that's the hardest thing for everybody. That's including me, because a lot of time people always ask me, how do you stay strong? How do you stay on the end results? How do you stay so focused all the time? What do you do on a daily basis? Well, let me tell you, what you want to do is you want to keep your mind on the positive end results. Keep your mind on a positive end result. What is it that you really want? What is it that you really want in life? That's what you want to stay focused on. Don't focus on anything else besides what it is that you really want. For me, we talk about it's my legs. All day, every single day, 24 hours a day, I'm focusing on walking again. And so what happened is that everything else that come my way, you know what? There's always that enemy that's going to talk to you into your brain. You know what? Maybe you need to stay this way. Maybe, you know what? It's not going to happen for you. You're not going to walk. No. Everyone's telling you you're not going to walk. The doctor's telling you you're not going to walk. The percentage is telling you you're not going to walk. Why do you think you're able to walk? And that's what the enemy does. It's always going to put into your brain exactly what you don't want to hear. But what you want to do is you want to focus on what it is that you really want to hear. Focus on the end positive results. Just the end positive results. Anything negative, throw it away, throw it out the door. Don't even let it go into your mind. As soon as it gets into your mind right away, you know what? Hey, that's the devil's talking. That's the enemy's talking. Block it out, and then you want to stay on the positive part, Whether if you're a big faith guy like myself, you know what? I talk it out of as soon as it comes into my brain. You know what? That's the enemy talking. That's the devil talking. I got to get you out of my brain, and I got to focus on the end results. I got to focus on him upstairs. He's got the final say as far as what's going to happen on the end positive results that's going to happen in my life. Other than that, don't let it get to you because it's going to happen. Your mind wanders all over the place, and it's always going to keep thinking about the negative and the positive. Stay on track, Stay on what is it that you really, really want in life, not what you don't want in life, Always basically listen to something positive. Put something positive on. That's what I do. Every time my negativity shoots in, I'll put Joel Osteen on. I'll put something positive on. I'll put something that's going to get to me, that's going to pick me right back up again. And what I want to do is you got to reset yourself. Reset yourself, and you know what? It's restarting. You can always restart. Some of you guys are sitting here and there's so much bad things, so much negative things, so much hurt, so much pain, so much things that's going into you that you'd say, you know what? I can't start all over again. Remember, you can always start all over again. Start fresh. If you have a bad day, you know what? The next day, you got a good day. Start fresh. You have a bad day, the next day, you have a good day. Keep setting yourself up. Keep doing it. But you know what? But stay on the positive end results and stay on to something that's going to keep you going, that's going to fire you up and keep you motivated. Stay strong no matter what you want to do. You want to ask yourself, what can I do to stay strong? If you really ask yourself that question, you're going to get the answer. Most of us, we don't ask ourselves. Ask yourself, what is it that's going to help you stay strong? What is it going to help you on the end results? And stay on that end results, And the last thing I want to talk about is learn how to smile more. Learn how to laugh more. Because that will keep you strong. Because you know what? When you laugh more, when you smile more, those are positive medicine that's going to heal all the negative results. I want you to understand that because some of us don't smile much. Some of us don't really just, laugh much. Put something funny on. Learn how to smile more because it will help you on the end results. Hopefully that helps you out a little bit, and hopefully that can go ahead and put something in your brain that's going to get you stay so focused that you're not going to let anything else get into your way. Throw the enemy away because you know what? He doesn't exist. The only thing that exists is all the things that you want in your life to happen, and focus on that. Now we're going to talk a little bit about health tips. So what I want to talk about today is when you're working out, I've seen some people, they do their set and it looks like they're going through spasm. They're just working out, they're doing everything, and they're not focusing on the connection of the muscle. Learn to focus on the connection of the muscle. If you do that, if you can connect the muscle to the brain, it's going to work a lot harder for you, and it's going to make a lot more contraction. Therefore, you're going to see quicker results. Okay. So when you do your set, everything should be focused on just getting that muscle to contract. If you're doing back, focus on back. If you're doing chest, focus on chest. Slow it down if you have to. Contract that muscle. Feel it. If you're doing shoulders, the same thing. Legs, take your time, but at the same time, control the weight. Don't want to put so much weight on there that you can't control it. Next thing you know, you're hurting yourself and you're using other muscle. Because what happens is when a muscle takes over, when you're doing back, when your legs gives out, your lower back is going to take over. So what you want to do, learn how to control it and learn how to basically put all the weight into your legs, chest up, back straight, go straight down. If your back starts to drop, that means it's taken over, okay? So learn how to basically contract each muscle that you're working on. When you're doing cardio, the same thing. Focus what it is that you want as you're doing that muscle group. If you can do that, I can guarantee your end results are going to be a lot quicker. You know, I love you guys. God bless. I'll see you on the next video, and stay strong and keep strong. Bye.